Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A26 5G. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and that's part of the box. And here at the cover of the box you will find another little white box in it. So just remove it like that here, and at the back of it you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just push it to the top and then it's released. Oops. Otherwise, by the way, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you're having a phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray, you're able to insert next to the main SIM card a second SIM card if you want, or a microSD card to extend to internal storage. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. You need to place it here at the first position in front. And this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner at the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. And the contacts, they are below. So as I've said, if you want, you can add also a second SIM card here at the SIM tray. For that, choose here the last position. It's a bit hidden. So just lay your SIM card in there, and this is how it should look like then. So there's also here a missing corner at the SIM card, of course, and it belongs to the missing corner here at the SIM tray. A bit different than the first one. And the contacts, they are below as well. In case, if you want to extend the internal storage, you need a microSD card and you need to complete second space here. For that, remove the second SIM card, in case if you have one there. Because as I've said, it requires the full space here. So just press it in, you will hear a little click noise, and with the microSD card it will look like that here. It only fits like that, and the contacts, they are below as well. Okay, if you're ready with anyhow with one or two SIM cards, or with one SIM card, or with microSD card and so on, just insert back the SIM tray to the SIM slot, close it well. And that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and maybe until next time. Ciao.